Hi guys, and action! I'm here with my assistant today. We are taping a very quick get ready with me video. And oh, I guess I went right into it. That's me using some concealer, just covering some of my under eye bags there and trying to highlight my eyebrows. This is going to be a B.O.M.B get ready with me video. If you don't know what B.O.M.B means, it is black owned makeup brands. So now when I did my last black owned makeup brands video, I discovered that I did not own as many black owned brands as I really should. I took that as a life lesson and put some money aside and hit some of the new brands that are out there. And like this one right here is Uoma Beauty. I'm using their concealer here, a little bit of color correcting, trying to get that one fidgety little spot on my cheek. um, but yeah, I was like, you know what? Let me make it right and let me make sure I add to my black owned brands. I really like this concealer. It blends really, really easily. And okay, maybe I need to do a little bit more blending there. But I'm gonna go in now with, of course, Pat McGrath Labs. This is M24, which is one of the most beautiful foundations I've used. I love that it is matte. I love that it sets really quickly, and I love that it matches my skin's tone very well. I've got a link, and I'll link that down below of me using that foundation in my foundation review. I'm going in there with my Chikuhudo Takahumi brush, my new foundation brush. I am obsessed with that brush. It is fantastic. Oh my gosh. Right back to a little bit more dabs with the foundation. I love this foundation. Of course, we all know who Pat McGrath is, world-renowned makeup artist. Did you know that she's behind some of the very well-known brands that are out there, like Dolce & Gabbana, the makeup brand? Yeah, exactly. So, when Mother calls and says, buy my foundation, I jumped, and I'm glad I did. What else did we use? Oh, here is my eyebrow pencil. This is from Uoma brand as well. I really like this one, really thin, so it's easy to draw in the lines, draw in little marks, and just get your eyebrows looking perfect. My daughter kept talking to me, so this is why we need a voiceover, because, well, let's just say we had a very chatty morning day. But look at this beautiful eyebrow pencil. It just comes on and looks so natural, which is what I appreciated about it. And of course, a good spoolie. Who doesn't need a good spoolie? I like a good spoolie. I think we're digging around. What else is next? Propa Beauty! Oh my gosh, guys. I recently discovered Propa Beauty lipsticks. These are always sold out. This is the color Hermes. Oh goodness. And that one is the color Driven. And yeah, I just discovered these. They feel so creamy. I think they are advertised as a satin luminous. Look at that color. Yes. Really, really glad I added them to my collection. What else is next here? Oh, I think this is where I'm about to start adding some eyeshadow. It's Juvias Place. I'm going to use one of my Juvias Place Warrior palettes. I love this palette. It's a really great neutral, and I love this brown color that I'm using. It's a great transition color, and yeah, can't go wrong. Now, as the pros always say, blend, 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 and then blend some more. Next, we'll do the other eye, of course. I'm definitely not a beauty guru, but I like to play in makeup, and I've been having a lot of fun with it during this time of quarantine and social distancing and self-isolation and all that good stuff. And hey, I'm learning how to blend. Blend, blend, blend. Next, I'm going to go in with, of course, Pat McGrath, because I love Pat McGrath, and this is the Divine Rose 2 palette, which has really been my bestie lately. Look how easily that blends. Look how pigmented it is. It's just right on. It goes right on, so smooth, it's so perfect, so easy. Blend, blend, blend. I'll go in with a little bit of blending. This is really just an easy, neutral, daytime plum colored smoky eye, for lack of a better word. I'm gonna go in underneath there as well, since my under eyes are looking so smooth. Add a little color to the under eye as well. Yeah, I think I'm gonna need a little highlight up there. Now, there's lots of great options in the Divine Rose 2 for highlight. So, which one did I go with? Just there. Because you know what? I want to make my eyebrows look higher than they are. And that way, hopefully, my eyes don't look so hooded. That's the plan. I don't know if it's working, but that's the plan I'm going with. So, what's next? More blending? Of course. Oh, a bit more shine. A little bit more lifting. And then more blending. We have to blend. Blend, blend, blend. It's my favorite word in Get Ready With Me videos. Just blend. That's it. It's the answer. Whatever the question. Blend. Trust and believe. Okay. Next, we're going to add some, oh yeah, it's Juvias Place again, and I am adding some blush. This is the color Abby. I think it's the Sahara Blush Volume 2, and Abby was a little too much. My daughter said I looked like I had a bruise. No one wants to look bruised, right? She was kind enough to go and get me some tissue so I could wipe that down a little bit. But you know, I actually liked the color tone. I thought it looked very good because it was a little bit more muted. Danessa Myricks. Who doesn't love Danessa Myricks? This is the Lightworks palette. I got the one in deep. She has two. She has a light and a medium. And oh, honey, no one does glow. I mean, serious glow the way Danessa Myricks does. And I'm not even a big highlighter girl because, you know, I don't want to scare people. I'm not a glow to the gods type of girl, but I like a little shimmer. I like a little sheen. I like to look a little highlighted. And oh, mama, Danessa Myricks kills it. She kicks it out of the ballpark. Yeah. Sorry, you know my sayings are always messed up. I love it. I think I'm going to use some of that also up there to the top of my, to highlight my eyebrows a little bit. Oh, look. Oh, God, beautiful. And of course, it spreads so smoothly. Such a good job. Thank you, Danessa Myricks. So that's it. Next, I'm going to do some eyeliner, and I'm going to wrap it up. And thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. Always choose happiness, and of course, subscribe. Love you guys. Bye.